Hey there, my name is Kevin, and so today we're going to do an unboxing of the Masterbox TD500 Mesh by Cooler Master. And so here we got the white version. So let's get into it, shall we? Here. Get rid of these. Just be very there's a tempered glass in here. So we got the case itself. Wow, it's a good looking case right there. Got the manual, so nobody reads that.
Just a quick note before anything else. This is the first video in the Amazon Choice series where I will be reviewing tech products that are rated as Amazon Choice to find out why. The case comes with a bag of screws and some thin zip ties along with the rubber rings for hard drive mounting. Cooler Master has also included a basic single button ARGB controller that you may use if your motherboard does not include the required header. It comes with a 2-pin plug, so you may use the reset button to easily switch between lighting modes.
Alright, so on the front panel we got two USB 3.0s, we got a power button, we got the headphone jack, the audio jack, and the reset button. So right on top we got the magnetic dust filter, and it comes off just like that.
The back panel is just plain white and can be removed by unscrewing the two screws on the right hand side. Starting from the left side, we got the cables for the front ports. Right beside it are 3 rubber grommets, which should help with keeping your cable management nice and clean. There are also 2 mount points for 2.5-inch drives. Let's take a look at the built-in connectors. This case features connectors for power and reset button and other indicators, fans, RGB, USB 3.0, and audio. Right on the back we got the space for the I/O, fan mount, and the GPU mount. On the bottom there goes the space dedicated for the power supply. The tempered glass has this unique look that features diamond-like form that creates a continuity from the front mesh design. And that could be removed like so. On to the most satisfying part of this video, the peel-off. A metal mesh filter on the underside protects the power supply, which means you will have to tip over the whole system every time you want to clean this air intake area. Inside, there's a 3 pre-installed ARGB fans mounted in front to light up every intricate angle of the mesh structure. Here's the motherboard mounting points. And of course, the front mesh. This case turns high airflow performance into an art form with a geometric 3-dimensional mesh panel. The front panel is created entirely of polygonal mesh, simultaneously providing high airflow, dust filtration, and a robust structure. This was just a pure unboxing of the case, and I will be releasing a separate review video where I will share my thoughts and build with it. We're also going to talk about why this is the Amazon choice for the white PC case category, so stay tuned.
If you made it this far, you're awesome. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below to let me know your thoughts. If you did all that, you might as well subscribe. Thanks for watching. Godspeed.